seem a little awkward, maybe too much, a little forward, but there's something on my mind that's been bugging me inside. Come a little bit closer to me, baby. I wrote this song for you so I can say the things I need to say. Every time you come my way, I feel it. You drive me crazy, I get so excited. There's no one else in this world that makes me feel the things I feel inside. One look at you, then I get so weak. You knock me off my feet, I be thinking of you. Girl, what am I supposed to do? Your smile is truly captivating. Oh baby, those eyes like two diamond rings hypnotizing me. I love the way you make me feel. You're the prettiest girl I'd ever see. You're so damn fine, my lady sublime. Yeah, 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 my lady sublime. Oh, I can't take it much longer, baby. Tell me what I got to do. Girl, you're making me feel so faded. I just wanna be with you. Oh, when I think of you, my mind starts racing. Girl, the thought of you is so amazing.